mango is known as the king of tropical fruits. Then, you can also use our heat pump dryer to dry high quantity of mangoes. It will not affect the nutritional value of mangoes, but also increase the value of mangoes immediately. Use a special machete to clean the skin and cut the pulp into long strips with a thickness of about 8 mm. The cut mango slices should be laid flat and stacked in the drying trays. And then placed them into the Zhongxu dryer. After the drying parameters are set on the PLC control panel, turn on the drying room. After 20 hours drying process, the mangoes are dried perfectly. Zhongxu dryer manufacturer can provide drying workmanship freely. Welcome to consult.